Hi everyone, welcome back. In a previous video, we discussed Git and GitHub softwares. In this video, let's move one step ahead and install the Git software. So let's move to the next slide to look into the steps for installing the Git software. Git is a desktop application which is available for the different OS such as Windows, Mac and Linux. To install it, first you need to download its set of files from the official website. This is the official website of Git software. Once the setup file is downloaded, then you need to run this file. It will open an installation window where you need to click on the next button on few screens. This installation process is very simple, which takes couple of minutes. Once it is installed successfully, then you can run git-version command to confirm the installation. Git version command will print the version number of Git installed on your machine. Alright, so now let's follow these steps and install the Git software. To open the official website of GitHub software, let me click on this link. Alright, so this is the official page of Git software from where you can download its setup file. For Windows user, there are two options available. First is a 32-bit and second is a 64-bit. So basically, first you need to check your system type. If your system is of 32-bit type, then you need to click on this link. If your system is of 64-bit type, then you need to click on the second link. Let me check the system type for my machine. So I'll type this PC. Now I will right click on this option, this PC, click on properties. It will open the another setting page. On this setting page, you can check the system type. For my machine, the system type is a 64-bit. That means I need to click on the second link, which is 64-bit Git for the Windows setup. So let me click on that. Based on your machine system type, you need to either click on the 32-bit or 64-bit. My machine is a type of the 64-bit. That's the reason I clicked on the second link. Now this setup file is being downloaded. It will take couple of minutes to download this setup file. Alright, now this file is downloaded. Let me open the download folder. I'll click on download. So here you can notice this is the git exe file which has got downloaded. In order to install the Git, you need to double click on it. So I'll double click on this exe file. Alright, so now it has launched the installation wizard. I'll click on this next button. This screen shows where the Git is going to be installed. So by default, it is installed in the program files folder. Now I will click on the next button. On this screen, you can select the various components which you want to install. So let's go with the default selection only. Now I'll click on the next button again. So let's click on the next button again. Again, let's click on the next. Let's go with the default setting. Click on the next button. Again, let's click on the next button. I'll click on the next again. Again, I'll click on the next button. Again, I'm going to click on the next button. Let's go with all the default setting, right? I'm going to click on the next button again and again. I'm clicking on the next button with all the default setting. Now I will click on the install button. So finally the Git is going to be installed on your machine. It will take less than a minute to install the Git on your laptop. Here you can notice inside this Git folder, various files are being downloaded, right? This Git folder is available inside the program files folder. Program files folder is available inside your C drive. Once it is installed successfully, we'll open the program files and check whether the Git folder is available or not. Alright, now Git is installed successfully. Let me click on this finish button. So now let's open the C drive and check whether the Git folder is created or not. I'll click on this C drive. Inside the C drive, you need to click on the program files folder. Inside the program files folder, you can notice there is a Git folder created. Let me open that. Inside this Git folder, you can see the various files and folders required for the Git installation. Alright, so we have successfully installed the Git software. Let me run the git-version command to check which version of Git is installed on my machine. So let me open the command prompt. So I'll type cmd. In the command prompt, I will type a command git-v and now I'll press the enter button. So now you can notice Git version 2.42.0 is installed on my machine, right? So in case if you want to confirm the Git version, then you can run a command git-v. Congratulations, we have successfully installed Git on our computer. So that's all for this video. Now let's meet in the next video and create an account on the GitHub application. See you in the next video.